10 Classic Cocktail Recipes Every Bartender Should Know. As a bartender, having a repertoire of classic cocktail recipes is essential. Whether you work in a bustling high-end bar or a cozy local pub, knowing these tried-and-true concoctions will never go out of style. Not only do they impress patrons, but they also showcase your expertise and elevate the overall drinking experience. So, let's dive into the world of mixology and explore the top 10 classic cocktail recipes every bartender should know. 1. Martini, a timeless classic. The Martini is an elegant blend of gin and dry vermouth. To create the perfect balance, stir the ingredients with ice and serve it in a chilled glass with a twist of lemon or olive. 2. Old-fashioned, dating back to the early 19th century. This cocktail is all about simplicity and taste. Mix bourbon or rye whiskey with sugar, a dash of bitters, and muddle it with an orange slice and a cherry. Serve it on the rocks with a twist of orange peel. 3. Mojito, originating from Cuba, the Mojito is a refreshing summer drink made with white rum, fresh mint leaves, lime juice, simple syrup, and sparkling water. Muddle the mint, lime, and sugar, add the rum and ice, and top it off with sparkling water. For Margarita, a staple of Mexican cuisine, the Margarita packs a punch with tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur. Shake the ingredients with ice and serve it in a salt-rimmed glass, garnished with a slice of lime. 5. Negroni, this Italian classic is a perfect balance of gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth. Stir the ingredients with ice, strain into a rocks glass over fresh ice, and garnish it with an orange peel. 6. Daiquiri, hailing from the shores of Cuba, the daiquiri is a delightful blend of rum, lime juice, and simple syrup. Shake the ingredients with ice, strain into a chilled cocktail glass, and garnish it with a lime wheel. 7. Manhattan, a sophisticated cocktail. The Manhattan combines bourbon or rye whiskey with sweet vermouth and a dash of bitters. Stir the mixture with ice, strain it into a chilled glass, and garnish it with a cherry. 8. Cosmopolitan, iconic thanks to the TV show Sex and the City. The Cosmopolitan is a mix of vodka, cranberry juice, lime juice, and triple secretary. Shake the ingredients with ice and strain it into a chilled martini glass. Garnish it with a twist of orange peel. 9. Whiskey sour, a delightful blend of whiskey, lemon juice, and sugar. The whiskey sour is a perfect balance of sweet and sour. Shake the ingredients with ice and strain it into a rocks glass over fresh ice, garnishing it with a cherry. 10. Pina colada, transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this creamy cocktail. Made with rum, coconut cream, and pineapple juice. Shake the ingredients with ice and strain it into a hurricane glass, garnished with a pineapple wedge. Mastering these classic cocktail recipes will not only provide your customers with a delightful drinking experience, but will also establish you as a knowledgeable bartender. So, study these recipes, practice your mixing skills, and get ready to impress with your cocktail expertise. Cheers!